Hey, good morning world, good morning. I'm vlogging, I'm a vlogger, you wouldn't know this. I just fed my cat, Kiki. We ran out of water, so I gave her a little bit of this. Hopefully she's okay with it. So today, I'm gonna be showing you guys a day in the life of a truck driver. That's this guy over here. I'm vlogging, bro, I'm vlogging. Goes Kiki. She's eyeing him too. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys what it's like to go across America. You know what I mean? What do you think? Am I missing anything? No? Kiki? Alright, let's get it. Actually, let's get something to eat first because I'm hungry. And I'm gonna skip that because I can't record in there. I mean, can't have that. Okay, I'm done being stupid. Let's go for it. Here right now, I'd be like, let's go climb that. This is what a shower looks like. Not too shabby, you know what I'm saying? Get your basic stuff, You know, pretty clean, kind of. Not buy it. So it was going almost according to plan, and then I'm trying to open up the shower here, and it doesn't go up, it doesn't go down, it doesn't go out, it doesn't go in. Yay, have fun. Fun. We get to figure this fucking thing out, huh? Yeah. Cause fuck making it easy. I figured it out. You just gotta basically break it, and it's all good. All right, we're back. As you can see, I'm tired. It's been an amazing day. Thank you for watching. That was it. That was the life of a trucker, basically. Thank you. Subscribe, click like, all that good stuff. Thanks.